Hey mathematicians, let's do our homework on combining like terms. Okay, so every expression we have here, we're going to need to combine at least a few like terms. So I'm going to start with 2a. 2a, what looks like 2a? B's don't look like A's. A's look like A's, so we're going to also box in minus 5a or negative 5a. Those two are like terms because they both have the same variable, and that variable has the same exponent. There's no visible exponent here, but there's a secret exponent of 1. So 2 minus 5. Okay, if I have $2 and I have to pay $5, I'm going to end up paying all my money and still owing $3. So that's a negative 3a. 9b, it's a positive. Make sure you circle that plus sign. Minus 10b. I have 9 and I'm taking away 10. That's going to leave me with 1 extra b that I still have that's negative. So that's a minus 1b, which we don't actually write the 1 coefficient. We just see that that's a b, a single 1b. That's our final answer. Next one, x to the power of 4. I see an x to the power of 2. They're both x's, but they're not the same exponent. One's a 4, one's a 2, so those are not similar. These are both similar. They both have an x to the power of 2. So it doesn't really matter to me if you write the x to the power of 4 first or last, so long as you recognize it's not negative. It has to have a plus sign in front of it if you do it last. Here we have 2 negative x to the power of 2's and 9 negative x to the power of 2's. When they're the same sign, they're both negative, we're going to add up negatives because they're both negatives, 2 negatives and 9 negatives. Your answer is going to be negative 11. X to the power of 2. Now again, it does not matter to me. You can write it that way, or you can write the negative 11x to the power of 2 first, plus the x to the power of 4. Either way is fine. That's not an issue. It's just making sure that you are not combining the x to the power of 4 and the x to the power of 2's, and that you are keeping this as a negative sign. So you have 6 more, oops, I'm going to sneeze, 6 more that you need to do. It's a single-sided page. Make sure that you're watching out for your variables. They need to be the same letter and the same exponent. That's it.